We've been yakking about Venus like it's some busted jalopy we can slap new wires on. But if we ever pull it off, the real jaw-dropper won't be the blips on a gadget. It'll be that split second when a kid bolts outside and blanks on the fact that air's something we had to MacGyver from scratch. Hundreds of years down the road, the freakiest bit won't be the gadgets. It'll be the folks. When you grow up with rules tougher than a drill sergeant, safety ain't a cheesy slogan, it's muscle memory, like dodging a spitball. Kids cram air math before they touch algebra. 'Cause on brutal rocks, air's a widget we crank out, tally up, and guard like Fort Knox. Doc stuff flips too. Gravity's a sweetheart on Venus at about 0, 91 of Earth's, so bodies skip the 0G woes we freak over in orbit. But heat, chem nasties, and pressure smackdown slip-ups. So the vibe treats tune-ups like checkups. A valve peak is a hero move. Boring turns into the ultimate high five for an engineer. And then there's the solar punk hype. If we're slapping together a fresh world, we can't just control C control phi the old mess. Power and stuff got a circle jerk, not dribble away. Waste. Just a brain fart we ain't patched yet. We don't own planets. We haggle with them via dials, pipes. And a crew drilled to plot in decades cause quickie thinking straight up chokes you out. So where do we land at this yarn's end? Even in the rosy take. We ain't flinging open a screen door and huffing like it's Miami. We're stacking solid living digs brick by brick, proving they hold up, and flipping survival into autopilot. Terraforming ain't a makeover reel. It's a whole society gig. But here's the curveball, the next Wild West ain't just patching the rock. It's sprouting a biosphere from zilch. Now eyeball Titan, not as a lazy Earth 2, zero tag, but as a bonkers new flavor of Earth. The sky's stuck in eternal pumpkin spice mode. Cause the air's choked with haze. Lights mellow and moody, like chilling under a massive desk lamp. And the horizon hugs you tight. Like the planet's got personal space issues. The turf's vast and hush-hush, with dunes, flats, and river scars etched into icy dirt. Step goofy, and the crust might hold like concrete or flake like week-old bagel, depending on last night's chill factor. And the life we rig here can't just be earth critters and moon boots. The debut plants ain't plants like your grandma's windowsill. They're hacked pioneer bugs built for a spot where sun's wimpy and chem's wacky. Picture them as breathing assembly lines. Some are biofilms, skinny coats that creep over rocks and ice, gluing down and tweaking slow. They lay gooey traps for dust, hoard damp, and whip up starter dirt like coral stacking islands. Speck by speck. Some are lichenish collages, but dialed for Titan's quirks. On Earth, Lycan's tag team one grabs juice, the other bosses build and tough it out. On Titan, we'd remix that duo, but with fresh vibes. A burly shell that flips off cold and zaps, and a core that slugs away snagging power, banking it, and doling it like a piggy bank. Then roll in the gardeners. Not fluffy pets yet hold your horses, but bug hordes rigged like mini hard hats. They smash raw junk, brick it stable, and recycle like pros. Their gig ain't cute. It's keeping the wheels greased, so key stuff don't ghost. Only post-stable loops carbon, nitro. Water knockoffs do we layer bigger beasts. First basic, leashed bugs or bug fakes and shielded dips or bubbles. Cause pollination's bioshipping. Then pint-sized spine havers, tailored to slot the chow chain without a crash. And here's where Solarpunk quits being Instagram fodder and turns playbook. Titan burbs don't blob out. They huddle like reefs. Pads cluster around heat hacks, recycle rings, and local fabs so we ain't mooching deliveries eternal. Tops ain't just lids. They're juice farms, veggie patches, and rain grabs. Every shack's a gizmo that boosts the eco instead of robbing it blind. Power's squeaky clean by default. You don't torch tomorrow for cozy toes when tomorrow's your lifeline. So the net's Lego-like and backup heavy tiny bits that flop sans dooming the hood. Stash is everywhere. Cause hazy skies and marathon seasons teach you to stockpile like it's second nature. And peeps evolve. Not Caped Crusader style. More weird upbringing vibes. Titan tots pack dual brain maps, habitat, safe lanes. And curated outdoor spots where the fresh eco's budding. They scan turf like beach kids read waves. They spot wimpy biofilm zones versus ready ones. They know a happy air swapper's hum like your coffee pot's gurgle. Their gigs ain't plain wrench turner or dirt digger. They're eco watchdogs. They babysit the live skins holding the world steady. They trim for equilibrium, not curb appeal. They smack invasives like wildfires swift. No nonsense, zero fanfare. And yeah, there's eye candy. Picture a guarded gulch where the OG greens dug in. Squat, thick rugs of tough greens twinkling with rhymes. Holler spikes rigged to flex on snap. Snatching skimpy light and piping it to toasty dirt nooks. Glow-in-dark tags alive. Not cheap plastic, so trails shimmer soft in the hazy orange dusk. Not Vegas bright. Not Disney. A mellow. No frills shine that whispers this joint's pulsing, and it knows self-care. Folks don't bulldoze that scene. They groove with it. Walkways hover to baby-fragile ground. Flows get nudged, not bullied, so the eco hauls the load. The Berg's crab turns Valley Chow post scrub. Cause dumping's a luxury we can't swing. This is the gut punch finale. Terraforming ain't lab homework. It's a gut check quiz. It grills if we can stack Might Sans stacking doom. If we can boom sans munching all. If we can treat a rock like a buddy, not a bullseye. Cause the thorniest chunk of terraforming ain't flipping worlds. It's flipping us. And if we nail it, if we rig a Titan spot where humans, fresh greens, and new critters weave it tight. Bounce back net. Then backup plan ain't a panic button. It's evidence we finally cracked keeping the original Gigaflow too.